Alam ko na talaga noon pa na gusto ko mag-travel. Hindi ko lang alam paano ko ma-afford at saka paano ko magagawa sa Philippine passport. It's like a goal, it's like a lifetime dream. Mahirap talaga, pero pang gusto mo, you will do it. Whatever it takes. Posible, I can travel to every country in the world. Ang unang flight ko outside the Philippines was when I was 20 years old. Kauna-unahang flight ko yun papunta ng Kuwait. Even before ko going sa bansa, ang pinakamahirap talaga mag-apply ng visa. Later on, I was able to figure out na, okay, mag-apply muna ako ng mga visa na 2 months, hindi ako gagastos, lahat ng kita ko nasa bank account, then applyin ko lahat ng visa, then after kong mag-travel ulit, napuntahan ko na yung ginamit kong Shomania, yun na yung pang-travel ko. Then pahinga muna ako. That's why it took me 12 years. And then once you got the visa, kasi kailangan mo rin ng mga invitation letter, kailangan mo ng guarantee that you're leaving, you need to prove that you are going to leave the country, so many things. And pagdating mo naman sa bansa, of course, there's immigration. Pagdating doon, I always get interrogated 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. 2017, 29 years old ako, and I already visited 100 countries and all the 7 continents, including Antarctica. Sabi ko, ay, madali na yung iba, but it took me another 7 years to fulfill the other half. Pinaka nag-struggle ako was like the last 26 countries that I have to visit. The hardest part was my last country, Sudan. May civil war kasi that erupted ng April 2023. Naabutan ako na bawal magpapasok ng kahit sinong foreigner during civil war. Thankfully, this year, they are like trying to, like get back to like move on with what's going on, and they opened a part of Sudan, which is Port Sudan, as a safe zone, and they allowed tourist arrival. And I'm actually like the 3rd tourist that entered the country that was granted the visit visa. I'm a digital nomad. I work online, and which is why kahit saan ako pumunta pwede. Travel blogger ako nagsimula hanggang sa nagtayo na ako na I own different websites. From there on, nag-start na rin ako ng mga online business venture, tas consulting, and then I work with different tourism boards ng mga bansa sa abroad, tas mga sponsorship ng mga hotel company. But before all of my digital skills, I was teaching yoga, I was doing Ayurveda massage therapist when I was in Peru, I was volunteering, I was hitchhiking, I did everything, and my progress at saka how I earned money changed the way I got older. Actually, before sa Pilipinas, tumira ako sa Montenegro. I still feel like ayun yung second home ko. And then, aside from that, gusto ko tumira sa Cape Town, sa South Africa, sa Argentina, sa Chile, at saka sa Switzerland. Like when you're saying that na, mas maganda tong bansa na to, ayoko na bumalik sa Philippines dahil ganito. Hindi, I never felt that way. And you know what I was doing when I was traveling? When I find something beautiful or like, wow, dapat organized, ganyan, I write it in my notebook. And maybe one day, some politicians in our country would read it and implement it in one city. Now that I am done with the world, now I want to explore the Philippines. I want to visit all the provinces in the Philippines. And at the same time, of course, like not just travel and educate. I am glad that after traveling to every country in the world, I'm in the right age, right mindset that maybe I could do something. And that's to educate.
Yeah, way to go! How was that?
Hindi siya passion project eh. It's like a goal. It's like a lifetime dream. Tapos sabi ko, sana matapos ko habang buhay pa yung lola ko. And thankfully, achieve naman siya. Mahirap talaga, pero pang gusto mo, you will do it. Whatever it takes. Parang there'll gonna be distraction, there'll gonna be so many things that you can outside of your control. But if you believe in yourself and if you believe in God, talagang it can happen. Like dreams do come true. For Filipinos who wants to follow the path, ang problema kasi usually sa atin is, halimbawa may time ka nga, wala kang pera. Wala kang pera, pero alam mo yun, like, you need time, money, and then good health. So, focus on those three things. On how you can achieve those things, you can travel as long as you want, wherever you want,